Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm super excited to bring you my August card kit. Now obviously last month I bought you my card kit in a case and that, let me just grab one, that consisted of my card kit being in a clear mount wood mount stamp case, which are perfect for maybe popping in some hand luggage or popping if you're going on holiday. It's just a little bit more compact and you can fit a heck of a lot of stuff in this, trust me. I've seen a lot of my co-demonstrators fill it with their crafting tools, so scissors, a snail will fit in, your tear and tape will fit in, you can fit your glue dots in, you can fit dimensionals in when it's packed properly, of course. Let's just try and repack that a little better. So that fits in them. Fantastic, I love them. So that's all that you can get. Stop making noise. That's all the stuff that you can get in there. I'm just going to quickly grab a couple of my blends. Blends fit in perfectly. In fact, if I remember correctly, the blends will fit, will they fit double? Yes, so double height. You can get two blends, so you can get so much in these. They are fabulous. But I decided that I was going to use mine to make a card kit because they are handy for people. So when I came to do August's card kit, I thought, do people still want me to give them another box and keep getting these boxes every month? Because A, they're bulkier to post, B, once you've got one, you just refill it. So then I decided that maybe it would be a better idea to use the acetate boxes. Again, not very organised, am I today? Just goes to show. So the C6 acetate card boxes. I thought, do you know what? These are just as good because you can still get what I need in them, and it's just like a refill, if you like. So it's now my card kit. If you want to purchase a box, then obviously you can. You need to just let me know and I will add one to it. Potentially your kit will just sit in a box, so it's perfect. But this month, what am I bringing you for August? I'm so excited. Now, if you've been following my blog and my social media and everything, you will know that I have become obsessed with a certain bundle. And yes, I'm afraid this card kit is based on Tropical Chic. I can't help it. I love it. I love the DSP. I think it is absolutely amazing. So, I know you're dying to see what's in here. Let me first show you the cards that I've made because that might tempt your interest a little. So this is the first card that I've made. So as you can see, we have some DSP going on here and here. We have the cute little embellishments. We've got the die cuts. Unfortunately, you know I can't give you stamped images, so if you do want to add that flower, you're going to have to get the stamp. And you also get this lovely embossed panel here. And again, they are on the Whisper White note cards. So that is the first card that you can make with my kit. The second one is this one. Notice some Granny Green Apple textured weave ribbon there. Again, some die cuts. Now these bits here, I don't know if you can see them very well, but they are actually, I don't know if I can find it just off the top of my head. They are actually die cut from the DSP. So again, I'm not die cutting these. You can either fussy cut them or use something else, but I haven't added those because I can't get that many out of a sheet of paper and it doesn't make it profitable for me to do that. Makes it more expensive for you guys, which I don't want to do. I want to add as much as I can to these packs. So we've got the lovely textured weave ribbon here. Some more DSP, die cuts and lovely embellishment. Third card, again some lovely layers, bit of DSP, some more of the embellishments, and then a little punch here for your sentiment and some strips of cardstock and again some of that beautiful ribbon. And then finally, which is my little clue to my last one, we've got some more strips of DSP and ribbon, die cuts and embellishments. But this background, do we know how this is made? It's made with a brayer. So yes, in your pack for August, you are going to receive, let's just move these cards out of the way. So here's my project sheet, which has everything on it that you need to make those 4 cards. You do again get a 5th blank card for you to add whatever you wish. So let me get all of this out, because all of this is in your card kit for August. So you get your die cuts with some extras as well. So you get, I'm just trying to read my list here of stuff I've written down. You get 22 die cuts and the tailored tag punch out there in Blushing Bride. You get 6 of these cute little embellishments. So you get 3 leaves and 3 flowers. You get some twine. I can't remember the measurements of it. I want to say it's 30 inches, which is a random measurement, I know, but it's enough for you to tie through the bows, the buttons, sorry, for your embellishments. So you get some twine. You get 1 metre of the Granny Green Apple textured weave ribbon. You get a brayer and 2 sponges. You get a piece of Whisper White for sentiments. You then get your embossed layer in soft sea foam. You get 2 Whisper White layers and a shaded spruce layer. These are that's for your braying card, because I braid onto a layer. And then the other ones are for this card. So there's shaded spruce, Whisper White and then DSP. So you get your layers for that. You get 3 of the strips that you need for your card. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6x3 pieces of the DSP, which again are used as the backings, but don't forget we have alternate sides, so you can make up what you wish with those. And then you get your 5 cards and 5 envelopes. So you get all of that for my monthly kit, which is a price of £15. Now, this is my favourite suite. I'm sure you know that, because I have used it so many times, and there's so much recently that I've wanted to make with it. And I'm just so excited by it, and I do absolutely love it. So I want you to love it, and I want you to experience the joy I have with it all. And so with my kit, obviously you pay £15 and you get all of this kit and my project sheet and the lovely acetate box that it comes in. If you want to change to the wood mount, the sturdy case, then let me know. But if you wanted to add the stamp set, then it would be £35. There's no extra postage. If you were to get this from Stampin' Up, you'd pay an extra £5 postage. So, well, £4.95 or £4.99, whichever it is. But I can add this to your card kit with no extra postage. So that would then make your package £35. Of course, this is lovely, but do we not need the thinlets to go with it? These beautiful thinlets that create this beautiful embossed piece here that is just divine. I love it. You can cut out the flower that's there that I stamped on the first card, and then these are fabulous. These die cut, bar the punched obviously, these die cut all of these shapes, and you can get the outline, the inside. This is the inside, or you could have the outline on this one. Just these little bits here that I die cut there. These spiky ones, they are just so much fun. And like I said, I absolutely love this suite, and I want you to love it. I want you to get as much fun out of it as I have. if you go onto my blog and have a search for tropical, you will find all of the cards that I have made so far with the tropical chic. Now I have, just if I can grab it, if I'm over here, I have recently made a card. I'm not sure if it, oh yes, the one that I did make came out. Let me just find it quickly. So this one has recently come out on my blog. Again, I used the brayer. So this one's Flirty Flamingo, so slightly different, but I've got a bit of gold going on here. But that one was done using the brayer. And the other one that I made, if I can find it, is that it there? No, where is it? So that's another one that I made with just, did I use that? Yes. So that's one that I made using the lovely stamp set, and I found the card I was looking for. And this one I also made. Now this one again I used the brayer, and this is I don't know if you can see, it's clear embossing powder. So I stamped in Versamark, used the clear embossing powder, heat embossed it, and then I used my brayer, and then I just used a tissue to clear the ink off the clear embossing powder. And again, you get almost extra layers without the layers. So those are, I don't know what I've done with that other one now. Am I losing my mind? I think I must be. Did I put it back in here? Oh crumbs, yes. So, you know, these are 3 cards that I've made with slightly different looks. 2 using the brayer, which I find such a lovely tool to use. I'd forgotten how much fun it was to use. It just adds a bit of a texture and a bit of a background. This one, obviously, I've used an embossing folder, but you could use this embossing panel and maybe do it along. And again, just very simple stamping here, just stamping off as I went along. So there's so much versatility with these stamps and these thinlits, and I love them, and I want you to love them, as I keep saying. So if you want the kit, then just let me know, drop me an email, or let me know via my blog or Facebook. Either or is fine. If you want to add the stamp, it will be £35, and if you want to add the stamp and the thinlits, it will be £55. And that will all include postage and my kit. Now, the only other thing that I want to tell you is this DSP is in the offer this month. So it's only for a few more days, but this DSP is part of the buy 3 get 1 free. So if you want to stock up on this DSP so that you have extra to make on your cards, or make kits with, or do whatever you want with, then you need to get some before the month ends so that you've got extra DSP. So don't forget, if you're interested in my lovely card kit to make these 4 cute, simple cards, and all I've used extra is Memento, Blushing Bride, Memento, and that's it. I've not used anything else. So you only need 2 ink pads and you can make these. How cute are they? So I hope you're interested. I hope you want to get one of my kits. As I said, as much as I love it, I want you to love it, and I want you to enjoy making these cards. You can obviously add your own sentiments if you wish. You don't have to add thank yous or you're the greatest. But yeah, they're my card kits for August. So if you want one, please drop me an email or contact me on Facebook or my blog, or any way. Just let me know that you want one and I'll get one out to you. Hope you enjoy it, and I'd love to see the cards that you make afterwards. See you again soon. Bye.